like that.
I like it too. Come on, Monopoly Man.
I'm feeling lucky today.
Are you now? Oh, that's a good one.
Alrighty, it's mayhem time.
It is. Are those all wilds? Okay, that's pretty. Oh, if there's only one more at the end, that would have been huge. Oh, the doggy goes all the way through, I think. Yeah. And the sunshine. So we were gonna wash our hands to go finally eat, and I come out and Wifey is out here playing, and she was almost down to 0, but I had to come in and bail her out with my pro button pushing tactics, and the Monopoly Man and me just get each other, you know? Thank you, sir. That was cute. Do we have more features? Okay, free parking. Activate cash on the reels. 4 things, trigger. Okay, super bet. All right. Oh, so now we have to bet. So bet. I think you have 3 minutes to get like crazy stuff. So now we're betting. It's not free spins. It costs money, but you get a lot of good stuff. I think. Yeah. So like you get money each bet. So this is definitely worth it to bet. So keep betting. Yeah. Yes. You have 3 minutes at the bottom right corner. I've seen like people like bet and lose, but like bet and win. I think you have to bet the same amount. You can't bet different. Yeah. Well, that's good. Maybe. No. Yes. That beautiful crystal hot air balloon thing. I think you have to get that thing in the beginning. You can also choose just to let it run out and then like not complete it. So far hasn't given us anything good, but maybe now. What? That wasn't anything? What the heck? I don't even know how this works. She sat down and started playing it, and I don't know. That would have been a good one. Do we have 1 minute and 50 seconds? So we get that, I think. So 4 of those, no, yeah, they get it, yeah. So you get the car, and then whatever's next to it, all the way across, is what you earned. So that would have been like, yeah, $6.50. Okay. Oh, that thing in the middle was blocking.
Watch out!
Oh, nice. Yeah, here we go. Finally. You had to give us something. There's 5. Up and away. We are looking up. Up and away. Look at that. So, oh, we got a 25. That's good. I knew he had to give us something back there. That's cool. So you can choose to let the clock run out or like go all in again if you want. Yeah. That's the funny thing about this. It's like a bonus round without free spins, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, I don't think. Oh yeah, that's $10. I think that super bet is good. I've seen like people play it and it is like a, but I think it's $10. So you have 4 of them if you want to go all in like that. But that's why they're all like little kind of amounts. Oh, one more. Oh. 15 seconds left. You can try it if you want. $10 one, yeah, if you want. Last second, yep. Oh, it's huge. It didn't give you anything. Do it now, quick, one more. Oh no. We tried the big one at the last second and it didn't do anything. That was funny. Okay, that was fun. Alright, off to lunch now, officially.
Let's fire it up.
Oh, another one? No, thanks. What's this one? 2x multiplier. Oh, put him in the front.
Good.
Put him in the front. Put something in the front, sir. just the cars. See, he drops random like wilds and like multipliers from the top. That's the thing. All these Monopoly games have some kind of crazy stuff like that. It's cool. Mastermind's doing here. Doggies. Three more bets. Oh. Don't be a badass, sir. Okay, we got it. We'll leave the premises. Thank you, Monopoly Man. Oh, one more. There's the last one. Oh. Now he's really beeping at us. Okay, we got it. Bye-bye. We had fun. Thanks for the balloon ride.